Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings, then you have to enter System section, go to the Advanced, go to the Backup. Here you have to enable this feature, Backup to Google Drive, and what you have to do next is to add your Google account. Of course, you will need internet connection to add a Google account. So next what you will have to do is to enter your email or phone number. Let's enter our email, then tap Next. Then you will have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last, you have to tap Accept here. And then tap OK. And as you can see, now your device is ready to be backupped. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.